Consumer behavior refers to how consumers make a decision what to buy and willing to pay for goods and services. By understanding a consumer behavior concept, consumers can prevent impulsive purchases and enhance their overall financial well-being. For theory of economic distribution, we use theory of marginal productivity. This theory explains that in equilibrium, each productive labor will be rewarded according to their marginal productivity.
Utility is the satisfaction of benefit a consumer receive from consuming a good and services. Total utility versus marginal utility. Total utility is the total happiness from using a product, while marginal utility is the extra happiness from using one more of it.
The law of diminishing marginal utility is a microeconomic concept that explains how the satisfaction we get from consuming goods decreases over time. As we consume more units of the same product, the extra benefit or marginal utility we receive from each unit eventually declines. In stage 1, satisfaction is very high. This is because the first unit meets an urgent need. Next, in stage 2, satisfaction still increases but at a slower rate. Lastly, in stage 3, marginal utility reaches zero or become negative.
Is consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium happens when a person spends their incomes in a way that gives the most satisfaction. For example, with RM 500 ringgit and both goods costing RM 100 ringgit, buying 3 goods of X and 2 goods of Y give the same satisfaction for both.
In this case, we focus on labor, which means how workers are paid, also known as wages. In a perfectly competitive labor market, which are decided by a supply market and demand market, where demand market equal to supply market. Theory of distribution explains how we make and decide the pay of the production, like land, labor, and capital. There are several factors that affect wage of equilibrium. First one, we have higher labor. Second, more workers. We have technology change. Fourth, we have population in growth.
What about rent? Rent is the price paid for the use of land. We have two theory, which is Ricardo theory and also modern theory. Definition of profit. Profit has two types, which is normal profit and also economic profit. Interest measured by 5 items called nominal interest rate, real interest rate, effective interest rate, gross interest rate, and net interest.
To help low-income groups be more independent, the government should expand vocational and entrepreneurship programs. With skills and support, they can start small businesses and earn their own income. Next, affordable housing helps reduce overcrowding and improve living conditions for low-income families. At the same time, expanding public healthcare services like mobile clinic and mental health support ensure vulnerable groups get the care they need.
To address the issue, the government must implement targeted financial support programs. For instance, more funds should have been allocated to cash aids initiatives like Sumbangan Tunai Rahmah or even Sumbangan Asas Rahmah to help low-income families. Other than that, the government can improve income for the low-wage earners. These can help ease the financial pressure and improve their lifestyle.
To sum up, understanding consumer behavior help business work and know what customer need and wants, so they can create a strategy to keep their company grow up. At the same time, rewarding workers through bonus, incentive, and other benefits show appreciation, motivation to the employee. In conclusion, understand consumer behavior at the same time rewarding employee is a key of success for a company. One, keep customers satisfied, and other, keep employee motivated.